want to learn how to play samba, you are in the right place. Hello and welcome to LR Rhythm Academy. My name is Ribeiro and I will show you today how to play samba on this setup. Before we start, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Let me explain you the setup. On my right side, I have an 18 aluminum surdo. With my right foot, I play a bass box for minor. With my left foot, I play a foot Caxixi. On my left side, I have three congas. I have the Tumba, the Conga, and the Quinto. I play the surdo with my right hand and the pattern goes like this. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. I learned the surdo, then I check, for example, the bass box line, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. When I feel comfortable with the bass box pattern and with the surdo pattern, I try to play both together, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. The Caxixi plays on the end and goes like this. Only the Caxixi. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. When I feel okay with this pattern, I try to play first only Caxixi and the right foot. Let's do it. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. When I feel comfortable with it, I try to play both with the surdo. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. And the conga goes like this. I play on the quinto an open tone, then I play an open slap also on the quinto, 2 times an open tone on the conga, then I play an open slap on the quinto, and 2 times an open tone on the tumba drum. It goes like this. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. I play the conga pattern with the surdo pattern, also both hands, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. After that, I see that I mix both feet and the left hand with the congas. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and. I would like to ask you, please don't forget to like this video, support and subscribe the channel, and let's go for it. Everything together. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and.